someone to help me find my Puff, for he is as tiny as this cup.
Maybe I can help you. Shouldn't take all night.
But what if it does? We're gonna need a light.
Maybe we can help you too.
I don't even know you.
Well, what breed is he? What's his name? Does he like to play a lot? What's his favorite game?
He's a Yorkie Terrier. His name is Puff. He likes to play, but his bites are stronger than handcuffs.
Does he come when you call?
No, unless I'm holding a ball. Oh, I'm never gonna get him back. I remember he smelled of mint Tic Tac.
Now calm down. Rest for a bit. Look at that bench. The perfect place to sit. I have an idea. Just listen and you'll know where I think your Puff would go. Now, you say he only comes when you're holding a ball. You say little Puff is not very tall. So I know the place that your little Puff might be hiding under a box full of balls, you see?
It's so amazing. He's right there. We can see it just clear as air.
Puff, it's Puff. Definitely not Clark.
Puff tried to climb to the balls in the box, but then he got trapped in the box like a fox.
Oh, Puff, you are silly and as soft as a scarf. Bark, woof, woof, woof.
Arc. And scene.
Ta-da.